Hey world, Will White here with the Piked Antler Project. This is a follow-up video on something I posted, I do believe, 2 days ago. And apparently it's a controversial topic, so I'm going to go ahead and expand on it. Posted a video on using orange tape to act as a marker, an extra set of tools, having duct tape in the wild, survival, any of that. Duct tape is helpful, keeping rain and snow out of the muzzle. And I caught some slack for it. Got someone reached out and said it's highly illegal according to statute something or other. So I read the statute, and basically what it says is any toy gun has to be identified with an orange marked tip. So I understand the confusion. Well, if toy guns have to be painted orange, then this may be kind of misconstrued as a toy gun and is therefore a felony. So I called Chatham County Game Warden. He said, no, that's fine. I called Haywood County Game Warden. He said, no, that's fine. I called the police department. They said, that's fine. I even called the FTA. They said, that's fine. But first I want to go over the pros and cons before I get to the point. The pros and cons of using just tape. One, it does keep dirt, sand, mud, rain, snow. It keeps the stuff out of here. If I drop it for some crazy reason, you know, downward, it keeps mud out of it. So there's a lot of good reasons. The orange, I hunt with a ghillie suit. Oftentimes, if I'm scouting, and here's a little tip. So the deal with a ghillie suit, which has an orange headset. So my safety is covered. You can see the orange 360 degrees. And this is just theory. And so far, it's worked pretty well. As I'm scouting new land, I tend to go to different public properties and scout a day or two before I hunt. If I go into the woods and I see a deer, the deer sees me, they see me just like this, they're going to know without a doubt that's a human silhouette. I don't like that. They're going to run away and probably not come back for a few days. So the theory is, and so far it's worked pretty well, I wear the ghillie suit, and if they see me, I sit still. You know, I look like a big standing bush. They get suspicious, and of all the deer that have seen me wearing that ghillie suit, none of them have blown, snort wheezed, ran away. They all just kind of, you know, do their deal. And like, well, I don't know. I'm just gonna get out of here. After talking to the police department, I asked them, you know, is this legal? They said, yes, it's perfectly legal. Then I asked his opinion. And he's like, my opinion is it's a bad idea. And here's why. This could be misconstrued as, you know, a toy gun. And I don't know, if you look at it, it's just, I mean, that does not look anything like a toy gun. So even though I think any officer that arrived on scene got their hands on this, they would see, oh, this is obviously not an attempt to make it look like a toy gun, or it's a horrible attempt. My position on that is, if law enforcement has to get involved with me and a firearm, I want everything in my favor. If they show up and for 1 second think I could possibly be trying to decoy this as a fake gun, even if they have that slight suspicion, I don't want to be on that radar. I want them to arrive on scene, see me, and everything checks out, and they feel like a level of trust. I'm personally going to go ahead and change this to a different color, primarily because I don't want any officer coming onto the scene feeling any sort of unease. If I can make them feel as comfortable as possible, I will. I'm a huge supporter. All right, so there's the adjustment. I kind of don't like that I can't see the orange because it's, again, you know my reasons. It's an extra flag. So what I'm going to do is actually put a little bit of orange here. Throw it on my sling. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay. So I know there's someone out there. I know you're out there. I know you are. You're thinking back pressure. You're going to blow your gun out, or just cause some sort of mechanical issues. Your trajectory is going to be off. Your shot creep is going to be off. I've sighted this rifle with tape, without tape, killed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 large game animals with tape on the muzzle. It doesn't do anything. Yeah, if my 308 cannot break through 1 millimeter of duct tape, I need to look at a new gun. Blow right through it. So for all of you that are like, you can do that, guess what? I just did, and I've done it a few times, and it works just great. Thanks for watching. Stay alive as long as you can.